Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to remove the watermark from your video with CapCut, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process, which is very simple. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So we can start by deleting the default end screen clip. For that, you can tap on new video and select up a video and go to the editing page, which should be appearing right here like this. So when you select up a video and when you edit up a video at the very last section, you usually get a CapCut watermark at the very last this ending section. So if you want to remove that, it is pretty easy. You just need to delete it. So select it up. And once you select it up, a bunch of edit options appears in the bottom. You can need to select this option of delete and then confirm it up. And you will be finding the watermark being removed from that particular video. If you have any kind of watermark within the video, for example, let's say this video has it on the right end of the video, so you just need to zoom out the video, and zooming out the video should also crop out the watermark from your video. You can even use the AI remove tool, which is a pro feature for embedded ones, and that should do it. Or while exporting, you can select the option, tap on export, and you can just go and select the option of exporting it via TikTok. For that, once the video is exported, you can select this option of share to TikTok. And if you select that option right there, you just need to go over and select the option of save the video to device as well without the watermark, even if you don't share it, and that should remove the watermark from the video with CapCut. And that's it, everybody. If you'd like to remove the watermark from video in CapCut, it is pretty simple and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.